Hey y'all, it's Craig with the Bickhams. Today y'all, we're going to be doing starting a series of 4 bow tutorials. I did it all at one time. Felt like I needed to break it up into 4. That way everybody could pick and choose maybe which bow style they wanted to look at today. Plus keep the videos a little shorter, so you can take your choice. These are the 4 bows that we're going to be making in the series. So I did 2 patriotic bows. This one actually is, this is the hand bow that I made just by hand. So it's all of these are going to be pretty in depth, y'all, and very good tutorials showing you how I do it. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and y'all take your pick on which one that you like. Let me know which type bows that you like to make. So we have the patriotic here is going to be our first one. This was actually the last. This is a very full 1.5 inch, one solid color, 20 loops. Makes a super cute bow, y'all. Super cute. We had the purple or light lavender. Very good for very similar style, just a little bit different shape on all of them. And once they lay, you can kind of see all the 4-inch ribbon behind it. So I hope y'all enjoy all of these. If you do, please let us know. Give us a thumbs up on each video. Let me know which bow that you like the best. And please let me know that you enjoyed the videos. This is another little cute patriotic bow that I did. So I think this is actually going to be video number 1. This will be video number 2. Video number 3. Welcome. And welcome to video number 4. I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our With the Bickhams channel. Check us out on all of our social media platforms, y'all. We're everywhere. We're on the FB, TT, right here on YouTube, on the gram. So y'all please give us a follow and a subscribe at all of our social media channels. Thank y'all. Hope you enjoy the videos, y'all. Alright, so this is a really pretty kind of a plaid. It is a raised stitched purple, pink, and a lime green with the white raised stitched. We're gonna, y'all see how that kind of wants to roll? So just like that. So I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're going to shorten that dovetail up so it doesn't want to roll on us. So very little dovetail. This one we're going to do one color, and we're going to do, how many did I say? So 4, 7, 9, 10, 11. Wait, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope, gonna have 20. So we're going to have 20 loops, y'all. But what I'm going to do is we're going to run all the tails one way. So we're going to let everything hang down. We're not going to leave, and we're going to do them the same length. So we're going to run some pretty long tails. We're going to get on out to about 14 inches. And we're going to do 4 loops. So we're going to do, this is going to be really a blast off bow. So we're going to have, I'm going to start at 6. 6. Let's go 6.5. We'll go 6.5 at the bottom. So we're going to do 4 on bottom, then 3, then 2, then 1. And when I say that, that means 4 on each side, then 3 on each side, then 2 on each side, then 1 on each side. But we're going to let these tails run all the way down. Somebody wants to purchase these, they're going to get a box of bows, y'all. A sure enough box of bows. A sure enough box of bows. I meant to tell everybody that too. We just started yesterday. We now offer free shipping over $100 on all orders over $100. Free shipping started yesterday. So y'all take advantage of that at smalltownwreathshop.com. Now stay straight for me. Now we're gonna cut. We're gonna be cutting the tails, so we got different. We got the same. You know, we got several different tails. That gives you an option if you want to turn a couple tails. We could do that. Leave some down long. Maybe run a couple up and run them short. We might do that. We might do that. Alright, so we've got our 4. This one's going to come down. So we're going to try to pull them. We're going to pull them down about the edge of the table. So we're going to try to keep them about the same. Doesn't have to be exact. But this is where we would, you know, normally be changing out the ribbon to a different color, which we're not doing with this one. I'm not going to cut the dovetails yet. We'll do that at the end. No, you know what? I'm going to cut them. If I don't cut them, I might forget them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them. Not so deep. Now we're going to go right back in with the 3 loops. Dovetails again. I may have to shorten them up. May have to dovetail them a little more. Now we are going to shorten the tails just a little bit, and then we're going to do 3. I think I'm going to like that. I think I'm going to do 2 longs and then 2 shorts is what I'm going to do. So we're going to shorten up about 3/4 of an inch. Now we got to do 3, and it's okay if you need to flatten them out, y'all. A lot of people, my wife don't like to do that, but it's all right. You can. It's got wire in it, so you can get them back out. If it helps you measure, then flatten them babies out. It ain't gonna matter. They'll come right back. All right, so 3 loops. You just kind of got to be careful, because pay attention to which one. Since you're not using different colors, just keep that next one the same length until you finish making your loop, your 3. And you know you'll be finished when your tail winds up on your left side, just like your last one did. Your last where you ended. So now we're gonna make sure he's flat, and we're gonna pull him right on top of this one, and we're gonna cut him a little bit shorter, just a little bit, not a whole lot. I wonder if this ribbon would dovetail like that other. What y'all think? Let's try it. Why not? I'm gonna try it one time where we do the little circle. Oh look, it'll work. So you could do that as well. I might do that. Looks like it's gonna hold up pretty good that way. Alright, so now we got our 2 to do. I like that. I think I'm gonna do it, and we're gonna do it up. We're gonna run it up. So this one, we're going to go shorter with the last 2, so we can have a couple of short tails kind of going up like so. We're going to make them about 8 inches. About 8 inches long. That should be enough. That means it'll be, let's go a little bit longer, about 8.5. Maybe 9. We got 2. Still keeping with shortening up. About 3/4 to a half. Make sure that they're about the same length, if you can. Maybe a little bit longer. got our 2. And now we're gonna go about 8, 8.5, give or take. Same thing. We're gonna kind of dovetail it at that curved dovetail. Pretty dovetail. It's like an elegant dovetail. And now we got our last one. So now what we're doing is this tail is going to go up and this tail is going to go up. We can leave them that way. And we're going to do our last one. Same, we're going to stay with the same pretty dovetail right now. And we're going to do, I'm going to do 2 short ones down. I think we'll be alright like that. So we're going to come down about half, so about the same. We're going to do some more 8-inch, 8.5. We're going to twist and we're going to do 1 loop, a little shorter, twist, and 1 loop, a little shorter. Twist. We got about an 8-inch, so we're about the same here. Alright. Oh, that's gonna be a big bow. This is gonna be a big one, y'all. It is gonna be a big one, especially when you start fluffing it out. Alright, so last little pretty dovetail. Like I said, start back about 1.25 inches, go to that center, and then turn it over to that other corner. They look pretty. They work really, really good on some Christmas ribbon, y'all. Alright, so let me get in the middle here. Alright. Now we fixing to be fluffing time. So let me raise up, get under, raise up, and we're going to cinch down a little bit. Make sure that zip tie stays over that stack. Make sure your stack stays straight. Get that zip tie rolled around a little bit. And let's get our chenille stem under. And we're going to move this bow maker out the way. About halfway. Kind of get that off to the side there. Alright, so we got our stack still straight. Everything looks good. I'm going to just put a good little snug on it. Nothing outlandish. Alright, so now you know we got some tails going down, some tails going up. We're going to have some shorts going down, some shorts going up. So don't worry about nothing until we get to it. Alright, so we're just going to, the same thing. Now with these, y'all, just get them kind of separated. So one way, then we're going to come right in between. These you can kind of bring them way apart because we got 4. Alright. And we're going to do our 3. And every time it falls right between one of those fingers. Where did my, well, your tails, those tails are going down. So then we got our, leave this down. Then we got our 2's going to fall between them. And now we're going to have 1 short tail up. And we're going to have our little center last loop. And 1 short tail going kind of down. Alright. Twist it around. Make sure our long ones are down. And just start opening up. One way, one all the way the other. Him to be down some more. Here. If you feel that, I'm holding on to the chenille stem and the zip tie the whole time, and I can feel it. If you feel it starting getting loose, just kind of snug up on that zip tie just a little bit. This is the bad part about doing them one color, y'all. You gotta see where'd my other loop go? Lord, did I do enough on that side, y'all? I might have forgot a loop. Ugh. Oh well. Oh no, I didn't. Hang on. There he is. I knew something wasn't right. Whew, he didn't look right. I was like, what in the world? Alright, so hang on, y'all. I gotta start here, 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 and here. Alright, so we good. We good, y'all. I done thought I'd done messed up. But whenever you're doing the solid one ribbon color, it's not hard to get kind of confused where things are at, because you're not looking at different color ribbons, you know. Alright, so now we're going to make sure all them tails between your fingers have that loop. You grab a hold to that ribbon, let it go through them fingers, and even your short ones up here on top. Like so. And how pretty is that? So now you got a bow that's got a lot of loops in it. It's a good little bit different looking than the other styles, but it's still pretty. It's full. You can do this same thing with 2.5 inch ribbon. Super pretty, y'all. I mean, super pretty. I mean, holy moly, you know, any way you want to turn him. So I mean, I hope everybody enjoyed this as much as I did. I've been wanting to do one of these. So if you did enjoy this video and you got some kind of value out of it, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, or With the Bigcoms on the YT, and invite somebody to come be a part of our With the Bigcoms and Small Town Wreath Shop family. I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all have a blessed day, and we will see y'all next time. Let me know in the comments if you got something from it and if you'd like to see me do more. Thank y'all. Well, y'all, I hope you really enjoyed this 20 loop one color bow tutorial. Goes to show you that you can make some really gorgeous bows for all kinds of projects with one single color. You don't have to mix it up and match. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all get some value out of my videos, and I hope you enjoy hanging out with me. If you do, give me a thumbs up, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to our With the Bigcoms channel. We would appreciate it. Give us a follow right here at Small Town Wreath Shop too, on all of our other social media platforms. We really love all of y'all. We do this for y'all. Thank y'all again. Come back and see me. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, y'all. Bye, everybody.